Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check TikTok violations, and here's how it is done. Now let us open up the TikTok app here, and there are three different places we are going to look. The first one is to tap on profile at the bottom right, and we will tap on those three lines at the top right. Now we will choose settings and privacy at the very bottom here, and we will scroll down to the bottom. The first place is you can go to report a problem here, and you will see at the very top right is the little clock icon. So you can tap on it, and it will show you any of your support tickets. If you got a violation and basically someone reported you or you reported someone else, it might be within your support tickets. Basically asking for help on an appeal or how to fix some issue that you might be having. That is one place to look. But another place to look is, let us go back. Tap on support here. Then you can see midway down is safety center. Let us tap on that. And you will see at the very top is account status. Let us tap on account status. It will show if you are in good standing and if there are any community guidelines violations on your account. You'll be able to see them directly on here and go through the entire process of appealing them. You can also just go back and tap on report records. And these are violations that you have suggested for other people. But now, I am safe because there are no records. That is everything you need to know about how to check TikTok violations. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.